Let's save some money and make some quick and easy leather conditioner. Everything you're going to need is right here. You'll need to pick up some 100% pure neatsfoot oil, a couple bars of pure beeswax. You're going to need a scale, and you're going to need a container to hold your finished product. Everything is simply measured by weight, so how much you have doesn't really matter, as long as everything's equal. We'll throw these 2 bars of beeswax in here and take a look. Those measure out to exactly 2 ounces, well, because each one of those bars is 1 ounce. So that tells us that we just need 2 ounces of neatsfoot oil. So let's go ahead and get our neatsfoot oil out of the bottle here and get it into the scale. The neatsfoot oil is in the scale, and as you can see, measures out to 2 ounces. So this is the total of all of our ingredients for this particular recipe. Now all we have to do is melt the 2 together. You can do this in the vessel of your choice, but really a crock pot or a double boiler is going to work the best. You don't want to risk burning or scorching the oils. Here I poured the final concoction into my recycled metal container, and then quickly realized that this container is not tightly sealed. Therefore I had to quickly clean out this little plastic container, and it worked perfectly. I was even able to find a lid for it. After a couple hours, our final product set up, and now it's ready for use. You would apply this with a clean soft rag using a circular motion over the top of your leather product of choice. After you have this smoothed out on the surface of the leather, it's best to use a heat gun or hair dryer to set this into the leather. You might notice a couple little clumps here and there, but the heat gun or hair dryer will make quick work of that. Everything will seep in perfectly, and your leather product will be nicely sealed. I recommend testing this on a hidden part of your leather product, just so that you know how the final product is going to turn out. Hopefully this video helped you out, and if it did, well, you know what to do, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.